Ruthercise, Getting Buff with Ruth and Amery. Hi everybody, this is Ruth Talks, and we're going to show you how to exercise. Ruth Talks. And this is Exercising with Ruth, or Ruthercise, with Amery. This is Amery. We're going to do some exercises with you, because today is all about working out and being fit, and also being fashionable, because look at us. We're fashionable and functional. It's always good to stretch your arms, because your arms are important. If you just lift your arm like this, you get a super good bicep workout. Right, Amery?
That's right.
Great. Sometimes I want my fanny pack to be super tight. Not like my muscles, because if your muscles are tight, that's bad. But if your fanny pack's tight, it just doesn't fall off. Alright, you get that? You're gonna step on your resistance band, and then you're just gonna pull up and stuff. Now, if you're doing it with Amery, you're doing great.
Here, why don't you try, Ruth?
I do it with resistance bands. I also make sure that they're nice and colorful, because that's important. Because whatever equipment you have, you at least gotta be cheery about it. All right, great job.
Couple of bands off.
These are really resistant. You're doing great. You're doing great. Those are great squats. You're doing great. This has been Exercising with Ruth. Ruth Talks with Amery. Ruth out.